What are the non-surgical treatments for excessive underarm sweating or hyperhidrosis?
Well, I try everybody for underarm sweating on the prescription strength antiperspirants. And I would say 60% of people who have relatively mild focal hyperhidrosis can respond to those. You put it on at night because most people don't sweat in their sleep, and so it has a chance to work. People still have to use a deodorant in the morning because, of course, it doesn't control odor, but it will, over time, it kind of desiccates the sweat glands. The problem is they're irritating. Women who have to shave their underarms can get rashes from them. And so, we try to work with people to make this, as easy as possible. But, at least 30 to 40% of people just can't tolerate it, or it doesn't work.
Okay. And if they don't respond to that, what's the second level of treatment?
Depends on what the problem is. Oftentimes we offer them a pill which gives temporary relief from sweating. It does have some side effects which some people can't tolerate, but I do have patients who use it sort of on the job. They can put up with it on the weekends, but in their job they want to know that they'll be sweat-free, and particularly people who give speeches. And so they'll use it. Some people use one a day. Some people use, just one for special events.
I see. What are the side effects of that?
It can make you have a dry mouth. It can give you a headache. It kind of dries you up all over, not just your sweating, but all over. So.
And if people don't respond to that, what's the next level?
For underarms, the next level of treatment really is Botox injections. They know that the option is, I always tell them that there's a surgical option, but typically between the pill and surgery, we try Botox injections. Sometimes you may have to use more in one person than another, but when you get the dose right, it's very effective, typically for about 6 months. You sweat a little, but you don't sweat noticeably. And remember, I tell them always to use a daily deodorant because even that small amount of sweating can create an odor if you don't have a deodorant on.